It's in red. The painting has been completed as of this morning, and now we move forward, putting it all back together. Painting went fine here in the booth. It was well taped up. A lot of our paint jobs, well, all of our paint jobs obviously, but the devil's in the details as far as the taping goes, and making sure that you're taping and not getting any overspray onto any other product, of which in this case it would be the Line-X that would be underneath that paper there. Also, it's important not to have any loose paper that's flapping around to cause contamination. Contamination would be dust. But within every paint job you get a little bit of that, so we do a lot of wet sanding also, buffing. But this job came out very clean. I guess I really didn't talk a lot in this one to describe it. I think pictures tell the story right there, so I think the next video we're going to shoot is it going back together. So boy, it looks great.